An investigation is now underway following reports of assault by the principal of the Tulloch Primary School in St. Catherine. As Kirk Wright reports, the vice principal and 4 students are among the victims.
There is disquiet among the Tulloch Primary School community as staff and parents await the outcome of an investigation into allegations of misconduct by the principal. He's been accused of physically abusing the vice principal and at least 4 other students at the school 2 weeks ago. The Parent Teacher Association president, Ripton McLean, says shortly after the incident, he was bombarded by calls from the school.
People calling me and saying that Tulloch is not keeping again. And I said, what is happening? They said that the principal struck off the vice principal's face.
It's understood that the vice principal stated in a staff meeting that the incident was unprovoked. A parent who did not want to appear on camera told us her 10-year-old son is among the students who was allegedly abused by the principal. She was advised about the incident by a staff member.
She told me that she worked here, but from her information that she gathered was that this principal left out the office in an angry situation, angry manner then, and went round by devotion. He pushed on a grade 1 student, hit 3 more students. My son get 4 licking in back.
Our checks revealed that the affected parties have reported the incidents to the police.
Police said to me that it's 3 things to it. They cannot move him from the school, and it's either sue, compromise, or court.
We were reliably informed that since the incident, the vice principal has ceased operating from his office.
Since the incident, he resides in his car.
For the whole day?
He will take the work from the office and operate. Yeah, because the fear level is still there.
The affected parent says last Monday, she had a meeting with the principal and a representative from the Ministry of Education.
According to the principal, he said that it was alleged that he hit my son. He's not sure about that, but he was gathering them for devotion. I said to him, sir, how did you left out of the office? He said he left out of the office with a hungry manner or situation, or angry mood then. He said he cannot remember what happened, but it was alleged that he hit the child. So I said to him, sir, all of the students who were there said that it wasn't alleged you hit the child more than one of them and you pushed on a grade 1 student. He keep on saying it was alleged.
She says she has also reported the matter to the Office of the Children's Advocate.
They said it's in their hands, so it take about 3 months or something like that.
The PTA president says the school community is disgruntled and is in limbo.
A lot of us believe that the ministry ain't doing as much as they should be doing. As a matter of fact, some people feel as if they are doing absolutely nothing.
When contacted, the principal declined to comment, stating that the Ministry of Education is investigating the matter. We were unable to reach the Ministry of Education representative from the region, who we were told has had meetings with the school since the incident. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.